In this video, let's see how to use Savings Estimator in the Source to Pay workspace. From the navigation bar, select All. Search for Supplier Lifecycle Operations. And then select Source to Pay workspace. On the Source to Pay homepage, select Manage My Suppliers under Quick Actions. From the My Suppliers list, select a supplier. On the Supplier Details page, select the Spend tab. Launch the Savings Estimator. In the Savings Estimator form, fill in the required values. Select Create New Estimate. The estimate is created and saved. Select View Estimates to view the list of saved estimates.